Good morning, guys. Hi. Today is December 13th, Saturday. Hi, how are you? I am doing great. I haven't told you this, but Putti was at my parents' house this week through Monday till today because I had to attend the business dinners this week, so I decided to take Putti to my parents' house. Since Putti wasn't here, I took advantage of it and I met my friend on Wednesday, and I met other friends on Friday, which was yesterday. We went to Greek restaurant and eat Greek food. Amazing. It was very delicious. I had a great time. And afterwards we went to a bar in, oh, by the way, they're both in Roppongi, and have some cocktails and had fun. Yeah, it was really interesting week for me because it's unusual. Right now I am editing. I mean try to upload my Sunday vlog because I'm gonna go to my parents' house today to pick her up, my baby up, and I think I'm gonna come home tonight. My mom said, just spend overnight, but no, because I have to film another vlog for 17th, and I don't know. I think I might want to stay at my place because I'm gonna be at my parents' house in New Year's for 3 days or 4 days anyway. So my plan for today is I'm gonna go to my parents' house, and yes. Okay, now I ate my lunch and I am just eating dessert. It's my coffee, and this is the place I went last night. It's Greek restaurant. What? How can I pronounce this? Cyrus? Somebody keeps texting me. Yeah. It's a little cookie they gave us, and I don't know when we left the restaurant, and it looks really good. It's sort of like just a normal cookie with powdered sugar, I guess. Yeah, I'm excited. Yep. By the way, do you guys like your hand? I do not like my hand. Like the other day, I took a picture, like me holding the red wine. It's in my Instagram photo, by the way. And I noticed that my fingers are so thick. I mean, fat. I hate my hands. How come, some people have really, really skinny fingers, but for some reason I have really fatty hands, and I don't like this. It doesn't matter you're skinny or fat or anything. It's just how my fingers are. Shoot, and my nails are chipping. What kind of color should I paint this week? Buddy!
이제 나 얘기요.
Okay. United. How was it? Good girl. Hey guys, it's at night already. I couldn't vlog today. Hey, I am on my way to go to my apartment. I am happy. I was gonna go to a crepe party at near my neighborhood, you know, the bar I don't know, used to go really often. But one of my friends texted me. She broke up with her boyfriend. They were like together for 2 years and broke up, and she was like crying, and you know, she says she's sad, so she wants me to stay with her. So I think I'm gonna just go home. I need to put some of my stuff at home, and I have to leave again. And I don't think I can film because it's really personal, and yeah. So now it's about 10 o'clock, and I don't know. I want to go to yoga tomorrow. I don't know if I can. I hope it's not gonna be too late tonight. Morning. It's Sunday morning. I was gonna go to yoga this morning, but I stayed up late with my friend, so I couldn't wake up this morning. I seriously need to work out. Now it's already 11:15, so it's gonna be lunch. And I have to film for the random 17th video today, so it's kind of busy day today for me. I have a bad banks day today. It's a beautiful day again. I love sunny day. You know, some people likes like rainy days, you know, because I don't know, rainies are romantic and stuff. But not for me. I love sunny days because in a rainy days my hair goes like poofy. And Japan is such a humid country, so I love dry weather rather than like rainy and humid. So lazy. I don't want to do anything with my hair today. Do I look okay? I don't like my band today, really. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear a hat today because I don't like my bands. Today I want to do a lot of things. I need to go to drugstore to get some stuff, and I need to film for the 17th video, and I need to get the concealer because running out of it. Yeah, and hopefully I want to go to the dentist because I don't know, my tooth hurts. Must be something wrong. Should I like do curly today? I don't know. My hair doesn't hold the curls really well, so should I? Doesn't it? Do I look okay? Like a soft wave? Hair tutorial video. I used to make tons of them. It takes so long. It's hard. I mean, you need like one whole day to film that video. And editing, it takes a lot of time for editing too. Like random wavy hair. Ooh, my hair is so brown. Why? I don't dye my hair. How come it turns so brown? Ooh, it's kind of beachy hair. It's winter. Beachy wave in the winter time. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? I think it kind of looks nice. Sometimes it's nice to have wavy hair. Ooh, wavy. It's like bed hair, you know. Like in the morning, like when you wake up in the morning and hi, I'm gorgeous kind of hair. So silly. Pootie! What are you doing, Pootie? I'm walking with Pootie right now. She's shaking. She doesn't like her clothes, I guess. You're so cute. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. It's a very sunny, nice day, actually. Really, it's not so cold than I expected. I should go to the drugstore first, and yeah, but before that, I'm gonna make some lunch. I want to eat pancakes today, so I'm gonna make pancakes, and I'm gonna use like my apple, which is smooshy already. Like my mom gave it to me last week, and I didn't have chance to eat them, and it turned smooshy. So I'm gonna use that apple and make a applesauce and eat with my pancakes, which sounds amazing. はい、こんにちは。No、ワンダメよ。こんにちはして。こんにちは。こんにちはして。ダメ。こんにちはして、プティ。こんにちはして。こんにちは。
女の子？
女の子です。
だからで、ね、優しいこと、ドナちゃんの優しい。
男の子ですか？
男だから、ね、ドナちゃん。いやいやいや、ね、黙ってるから。
ありがとうございます。
じゃあまあ。
I am making applesauce. It's just simple apple and brown sugar, and that's it. Ooh. Would you like to see my lunch? Actually it's a brunch because I only had yogurt for breakfast. So this is my pancakes with apple and peanut butter and my coffee. I just came back from dentist and drugstore. Drugstore was fine. Yeah, I got what I want, no problem. But the dentist wasn't great. It's 3:30, about 3:30, and I want to edit, but I think I need to go buy my concealer, so I'm gonna go. And Pootie, are you going? I think she wants to stay at home, so I think I'm gonna go buy my concealer, which is Revlon Color Stay, which is my favorite. I'm tired, but I'm going. Okay, hey guys, it's at night, and one of my friends asked me to go on a dinner, so I'm just leaving now. And Pootie is sleeping. Yes, you're sleeping. So she has a company today. The dog, her name is Choco. You know, chocolate Choco because she's brown. And Mr. Piggy. They are your friend tonight, okay? Okay, mommy's gonna go, so behave, okay? Behave. Kiss.